Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gannon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you know that I practice by myself because I don't have environment nor do I have any partner so that I can practice with him. So I do practice like this so that I can become fluent in English. So guys, really I'm telling you, if you also want to become fluent in English, why don't you do this? You create a story, and after creating a story you can ask question and reply. So if you do the same, you don't need any partner, you don't need any environment. If you do this, if you practice like this for half an hour, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, it's enough for you. If I talk about doubts, so you can clear your doubts on YouTube, and after that try to speak by yourself. So in order to practice, I am going to speak by myself so that I get habit to speak. Until you speak, how can you become fluent in English? You just ask question that what should I do? How do I become fluent in English? Even I know some grammars, rules and some vocab. However, I don't know how to speak. So your rules and vocab will not work for you until you try to speak. So please speak every day. So let's get started. I am going to create a story so that I can practice by myself. And after this story, I will ask question and reply by myself. So let's get started. Well, this story is about a boy named Ramu. So Ramu was a student. He was 15 years old. One day, as usual, Ramu got up early in the morning, he got fresh and he got dressed. After that, his mom packed lunch in his bag and said, Ramu, go to school. After holding his school bag, he left for his school. But he didn't want to go to school. However, he went to school reluctantly. When he reached at the gate of the school, he thought, hey, I have a time to escape to run away from here because nobody is watching at me. So instead of going to school, he went to his friend's home. Having reached his friend's home, he saw his friend was also playing with some boys. So he put his bag on the ground. He also joined them and he started playing. After some time, one of the neighbor of Ramu was passing by there and he saw Ramu playing with his friend. So after that his neighbor went to his home and he narrated everything to his mom. Listening it, his mom got angry. She took a stick and she reached there where Ramu was playing. She saw playing Ramu with his friend. He caught the Ramu and she started beating Ramu. She beat him brutally. And after that, Ramu came to home, and at home, Ramu was beaten a lot. And his mom said, if you don't study, I will not give you food. After that, Ramu started going to school every day, and though he didn't want to study, but yet he had to study just because of his mother. So guys, I created a story, any fake story, and after that, so I created this story. So now what I will do? Now I am going to ask some questions related to this story so that I I get habit to ask question and reply. So okay, let's get started. So what was the name of that boy? Well, the name of that boy was Ramu. Okay, so how old was he? He was 15 years old. Okay, so what did Ramu do? Ramu was a student. Okay, so in which class was Ramu studying? Well, I don't know in which class Ramu was studying, but he was not fond of studying. Why? Why was he not fond of studying? Well, he was not fond of studying because some of his friends, they never went to school. They always uh, used to play. That's why seeing them was also thinking that no, I also want to play. One day when his mom packed his lunch for him and he left for the school. So did he go to school? No, he didn't go to school. Actually, when he reached at the gate of the school, he decided to go to his friend's home. Why didn't he go to school? He didn't go to school because he didn't like to going to school. That's why he didn't go to school. So when he reached his friend's home, well, what was his friend doing? Well, his friends were playing. So did Ramu also started playing? Did Ramu also start playing with them? Yeah, Ramu also started playing with them. While he was playing, what happened? Actually, while he was playing with his friend, suddenly one of his neighbor was passing by there, and he saw everything. Oh my God! So did Ramu's neighbor tell everything to his mom? Yeah, he went to his home and he narrated everything to his mom. So what did Ramu's mother do? Well, Ramu's mother was so angry. She got angry. She took a stick. She ran towards that place and she saw she saw playing Ramu. Oh God. So did she scold Ramu? No, no, she didn't scold, but she beat him a lot. Oh God. So what did Ramu do? Ramu started crying vigorously, and after that he came back to home. When he came back to home, was he beaten at home as well? Yeah, he was beaten brutally at home. And his mother said, if you don't study, I will not give you food. So, did Ramu get scared? Yeah, Ramu got scared. And then he started going to school every day. Okay. So guys, this is a story. So now I think I have completed my today's practice. So you can also do, instead of watching so many videos and following so many people, listening, reading, writing, why don't you work on you? Whatever you think, whatever you know, you try to speak. Definitely it will work for you. So guys, I must say that you have liked this video. So please keep practicing, and if you liked, please subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Bye.